In order to use the Flo Charger, first you will need to download the Flo app from the App Store. First, we are going to open the App Store. Next, we are going to navigate to the search bar by selecting the magnifying glass in the lower right corner. Type Flo into the search bar and scroll until you see the Flo app. If you are installing the app for the first time, the blue bar will say Get. If you already have the app downloaded, it will say Open. You can either open the app through the App Store or through your home screen. When setting up your app, be sure to allow location services so that the app can find nearby chargers. When using the app for the first time, or when you have no funds in your app account, the first thing you will do is add funds. To add funds, navigate to the person profile in the bottom right corner. Navigate to My Wallet, and then to Add Funds. Once you select Add Funds, you will choose a dollar amount to add, and then select your payment method. When using the app for the first time, or when charging a different vehicle, you will set your vehicle preference. To set your vehicle preference, navigate to the person profile in the bottom right corner and click Add Vehicle. Select your vehicle's make, model, and year, and then select Add in the top right corner. To begin the charging process, open Map in the bottom left corner. When you're inside the map screen, you will navigate to the charger that you will be using. If you have enabled location services, the map will automatically take you to the charger at your location. Once you have located the charger that you would like to use, click on its green charger icon. Click on the tab that pops up showing the charger name. From the pop-up window, select Start. When the app screen says Ready to Charge, follow the instructions on the Flo Charger's screen. Insert the charger in the vehicle, and then press the green Start button on the charging station. When your vehicle is charged, press the Stop button on the Flo Charger and disconnect the charger from your vehicle. After you replace the charger in its cradle, you are done charging and ready to hit the road.